Good day, everyone. The lesson today is about angles and triangles. We will describe what is the meaning of angle and what is the triangle and what is the types of triangle as a small brief before we start study the geometry for grade 7. Okay? First, what is the angle? Actually, angle is a union between two rays. If I have two rays, one like this one and another ray, okay, and they are united in one point. So it's union between these two rays. What we saw inside these two rays is the angle. Okay, so this part is angle. We call it angle. And angle is measured by degree. We measure the angle by degree. So we may say it's 45 degree. And the tool which measures the angle is the protractor. As you see here is a protractor. We put the point, center point with the point, and zero line with the line, and then start count from the side of the line. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this angle may equal 50. So 50 degree. Okay? I have some types of angle. What is the types of angle? Actually, first, I have obtuse angle, acute angle, okay? The acute angle is the angle greater than 0 and less than 90. Okay. What about 90 exactly? The angle 90 is a union between two perpendicular lines. The meaning of perpendicular ray here is when we say that two lines are perpendicular, so they make a 90-degree angle. This is the word, the meaning of perpendicular. It's exactly 90 degree. And we call it right angle. Okay. Third, is the angle but greater than 90 and less than 180. We call it obtuse angle. And obtuse angle always greater than 90 and less than 180. Okay? Okay. Okay, so this is the type of angles. Actually, we have, zero angle. So the two arrows or the two ray over each other. So it's zero angle. Okay. And if I have two rays like this, one here in the left hand side and the other one exactly as a straight line for the right hand side, this angle between them, between these two rays, is called straight angle. And its measure is 180 degree exactly. Okay, this is the types of angles. And we see now how to measure it by protractor. We measure the angle by the protractor, okay? Okay. There is a relation between angles too. Relation between angles. If I have two angles in this form, I can have two angles, have the same starting point. So I have angle 1 and angle 2. We call the relation between angle 1 and angle 2 is adjacent angle. So it's adjacent angle. It's called two adjacent angles. So angle 1 and angle 2 are two adjacent angles. So always adjacent angle between two angles. Okay. So you can't say about one angle is adjacent angle. No, two angles are adjacent. Okay. Okay. And also, but you can't say over these two angles. Listen, if you have two angles like this, angle here and here, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are not adjacent angle because why? Because they don't have the same starting point. Different starting point. So they are not adjacent angle. Okay? So it's not adjacent. Adjacent angle. Okay? Also, I have another relation of the angles. If I have we can talk now the triangle. Now we'll continue talking about the triangle because we will talking about the relation between angles later, inshallah. Okay? So what is the types of triangle or the name of the triangle? We can call the triangle by simple. Anyway, triangle always consists of three side lenses, and we can call it A, B, C. Triangle has three sides, 1, 2, 3 sides, 3 angles, 1, 2, 3, and it has a very important information that the sum of these 3 angles, angle A, angle C, angle B, and angle A, sum of them equal what? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C always equal 180 degree. Okay? So triangle consists of 3 sides, 3 angle, 3 vertices. What is the vertices? Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. So 3 vertices, 3 sides, 3 angles. And also it's one of the polygon. Triangle is one of the polygon. Okay? Polygon is multi-sided closed shape. The least polygon is the triangle because it has 3 sides only. Okay? So what is the type of triangle? Type or names of triangle? We can call the triangle by 2 ways. One of them is, we can call it by side, and the other one, we call the triangle by its angle. If the angle, I have 3 names from the side of the angle and 3 names from the side of the side, it's the sides, okay? If I have, the triangle has right angle, it's called right angled triangle. If the triangle has obtuse angle, we call it obtuse angle triangle. Okay? Otherwise, we call it acute angled triangle, because it will have three acute angles. You will find the acute angled triangle has three acute angles. Okay? This is the names of the triangle or types of triangle from the side of angle. What about the side of sides? But how to know the name of the triangle from its side, by its side? If I have three equal sides, all its sides are equal, we call it equilateral triangle. Okay? And if it has two equal sides, only two equal sides, two equal sides, we call this triangle isosceles triangle. Okay, we call it isosceles triangle. So this is number 1, 2, and 3 is for if I have three different sides, three not equal side, all the three sides are different, we call it scalene triangle. Now, as you see, the types of triangle are right angle triangle, if, from its side name, right angle triangle if it has right angle. And if it has, the triangle has one obtuse angle, you can call it obtuse angled triangle. Otherwise, or the three sides are all acute, okay, we call it acute angled triangle. And if I want to say or call it from its name, call its name from its the side lenses. So if it has three equal sides, we call it equilateral triangle. And if it has only two equal sides, we call it isosceles triangle. Otherwise, or three different sides, we call it scalene triangle. So this is a small brief about angles and triangle, okay? So I hope you enjoy it and see you in another lesson, inshallah. Bye.